Hey, this is Mark Hess, and right now you don't want to miss this because I'm selling PLR rights to two of my products. The one is Prompt Goldmine and the other is Loaded Language. Now, I originally created these products to use as bonuses during an affiliate promotion where I generated over $3,114 in affiliate commissions using these. Now, the PLR rights are generous for this. You can add your name as an author. You can use these as bonuses. You can add these to paid memberships or groups that you own or run. You can offer this as a freebie to build your list. Basically, you could do absolutely anything with these outside of selling the rights. So you can only get PLR rights, resale rights, or master resale rights through this offer on this page right now. And we all know that AI is a super hot niche. So the first product is Prompt Goldmine. It's a 64-page PDF, and these are advanced prompting techniques that you won't find anywhere else that force ChatGPT to think and behave differently, so your content ends up sounding totally different than AI content. This is not vanilla. It's not generic. This isn't a made for PLR type offer where all of the content is just general in nature and people aren't really happy when they read it. With both of these products, people are going to be extremely happy because this actually teaches the person downloading something new that they can apply into their business. Now, the second product is called Loaded Language, and Loaded Language is often used in marketing, politics, and media to frame things in a way that resonate emotionally, either positive or negatively, and it pushes people towards a particular viewpoint. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to have ChatGPT write with Loaded Language. Okay, so there's over 30 prompt examples in this, and I also included 537 loaded words that you can use in your content if you're manually creating things like sales pages or blog posts, really any type of content that will really drive your points home. So both of these products are super valuable. All PLR files are included. So you get unbranded version of the PDF that's ready to go. You get a copy of the e-covers for each of these. You get the Word documents if you would like to edit them, and also the open document format if you would like to edit them as well. And like I said, done for you graphics. I even have hosted download pages if you don't want to deliver these yourself. Simply link to one of the hosted download pages. And I also have a download page with both on. So if you want to give both away as like a package or bundle, you could do that too. So you don't even have to deliver these if you don't want to. All of the rights are below. Make sure you read the rights, understand them. But like I said, they're really generous and you could do anything that you want with these products. So get PLR rights to both Prompt Goldmine and Loaded Language using the Buy Now button below. You will get instant access the minute you click the button, and they will be delivered to your email. So make sure to jump on this now. This is for a limited time and it is a special offer.